So I just wanted to use this time to explain the bag I've got, the modifications I've done, and why this is the best camera bag in the world. This is the Panorama 180 from Mindshift. I've modified it. I've added the solar panel and so on. I'll go into more detail about that in a sec. The reason this is the best camera bag in the world is because I can have all my camera gear in here and my tripod and everything like that, and then when I want to take pictures I just unhook this, slide this out, and this is the camera section. So in here, ready to go, I have my camera, which means I can walk around and do my thing, have my camera in and out, and in this I have space for my other lenses, my filter, my other camera, my microphone and my batteries. I have everything I need in here I can just have on tap, which is so good. Then if I have to do something that's a bit more active, I just put it away, clip it back on, and then I'm ready to go. Hands are free, equally balanced. It's so good. So just to make that a bit clearer, the camera section is the lower half and the top half is where you can store your things like extra layers, food. For me it's the shelter stuff, which I'll show you in a sec, and then there's the brain, of course, which I use for toiletries. I've got my toothbrush and suntan lotion and sunglasses in there. And this is detachable too, so if you don't want to take this with you, you can just have the bum bag, as we call it in Britain. You can just have that separately, which is really handy too. And just for safety, there is this tether to keep it attached, which is nice in case you forget to clip this on. So the modifications I've made, the most obvious being this solar panel. This is from Voltaic. This is hardened and it contains a massive battery which I can use to power my cameras and my phone, so wherever I am I'll have power, which is great. Bear spray, that's particular to this trip. And normally the tripod would go here. There's a little pouch and a strap, and it would clip in and be centered, which is great for balance. But because of the solar panel, I can use the second option, which is in the side here, which just has a little cinch strap and another pocket. And if you don't normally have a camera heavy usage, or like this, you're not using a solar panel and tripod's on the side, there is a pocket here for a bladder for water, which is fantastic too. And then on this side, the added flashlight, which is always good to have, the carabiners off of the solar panel for water, and that's pretty much it. So one of the reasons I'm so excited about this bag is because with the solar panel I'll have power anywhere, and with these small camping items I'll also have shelter. This is a bivy sack that will keep me dry and warmer. This is my sleeping bag, which is absolutely tiny and so cool. And then this is a really comfy air mattress, which also keeps you warmer as well. So, oh, and then finally just the waterproof bag for the backpack too. So wherever I am I'll have power and shelter, which is so cool. It's really nice to have. I should also say that this is not a paid promotion. If it was, I wouldn't have Frankensteined the bag and had it all my own stuff. I just love it that much. It is, for me, the perfect bag. They do a bigger version, which would be more useful in certain situations, and it has a laptop sleeve in the back because it is bigger, and a bigger fanny pack section, camera section, which would be nice. But I really did enjoy challenging myself to keep it small and to pack light, and it keeps me more agile too, which is great. So that's the Mindshift bag that I've been using, and hopefully you'll understand why I'm so excited about it. It is so cool to have all my camera gear, power and shelter wherever I go. It's awesome.